If Mobile Legends keeps showing network connection failed even though your Android phone has internet, here's how to fix it quickly. Solution 1. Restart your internet. This error is almost always caused by unstable connection. Swipe down from the top of your phone to open the control center. Now, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, toggle on and off airplane mode. This basically resets your network connection. And if possible, restart your router. If the problem is connection related, restarting your router can definitely fix the problem. Solution 2. Disable VPN or proxy. MLBB servers often reject VPN traffic. Open your Settings app. Tap on the search bar. Now search VPN. Open the VPN option that shows. Make sure to turn off any activated VPN. Also, turn off private DNS if you're using a custom one. Then, relaunch Mobile Legends. Solution 3. Clear game cache. Find Mobile Legends on your app gallery. Tap and hold onto it. Now, tap the eye icon or app info. Find the storage option here. Tap on it. Tap Clear Cache. After that, close all your background apps and try opening MLBB again. One of these fixes will remove the network connection failed error on Mobile Legends on Android. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Mobile Legends fixes. See you next time!